Hey everybody, how are you? Come on in, I'm going to give you a quick tour of one of our listings. This is Surrey Lane. We're in Tenafly, New Jersey. We're just 6 miles from the George Washington Bridge. This is a great location. Come on in. You have great schools, you have great downtown shopping, and of course, a beautiful house. This house is a Center Hall Colonial that's been updated. You've got a fabulous living room here, and this opens right to this renovated kitchen. I love a renovated kitchen. In this kitchen, you have really amazing features like this oversized countertop with seating, which is a great way to maximize space. They've also given you some great luxury features that are hidden, like a warming drawer over here, plus you have extra wine storage over here, which of course is very handy. A Thermador oven with 6 grills on it and a nice big size oven below, which is the range. One of the things I love about this kitchen in particular is all the natural light. You could see even here from the sink, you're overlooking the backyard, which is beautiful and fenced in. Part of their renovation including maximize the space here, which gave you a powder room and a door to the backyard where it's easy to access the backyard for grilling or for entertaining, closet and mudroom space, and an updated powder room. What I also like about this house is it has a modified open floor plan. So it's not too open, but it's open just enough where you really feel like you can use all the spaces and they flow really well together. So this is the great room, which is open to the kitchen. Again, lots of flooding of natural light, literally a wall of windows. And like any great Center Hall Colonial, hardwood floors and access to your dining room are very, very easy. Make it super easy, cute little pocket door for entertaining. They maximize the space here by, instead of using this room as their living room, they actually use this room as their dining room. And who wouldn't want a dining room that also has a beautiful fireplace in it? So this is the Center Hall Colonial Flow, which most buyers really, really, really love. And when we go upstairs, you're going to have 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and there's also a really nice finished lower level as well with a half bath. I'll see you guys soon. This is under $2 million in Tenafly, great street, close to New York City, fabulous schools. For more information, just look below or reach out to me. Stacey Esser, bye-bye.